Announcing CAMWorks for 3DEXPERIENCE SOLIDWORks. It's fully integrated, it's compatible, it has the same great features as CAMWorks, and you can use your existing technology database. Here's a V6 engine block we might want to program using 3DEXPERIENCE SOLIDWORks. And here we can see the fixture and trunnion we might want to use for machining in SOLIDWORKS assembly mode. I can tile the windows and then drag and drop the block onto the fixture. Once in position, I can use CAMWorks automatic feature recognition to find all of the machinable features on the part. Next, I can use intelligence-based machining to generate all the operations and toolpaths for machining. Now I can use toolpath simulation to simulate the machining of the part, and then compare the machined model to the design model. Now I'm ready to generate G-code, but what happens if a design change occurs? As soon as I read the new revision of the design from the 3DEXPERIENCE platform into 3DEXPERIENCE SOLIDWORKS, it knows a change has occurred and asks me to rebuild the part. And likewise, CAMWorks also knows that a change has occurred, and now all of the toolpaths will be updated automatically thanks to the associativity that CAMWorks provides. Now I can rerun the toolpath simulation and compare the machined model to the new design. I can use CAMWorks Machine Awareness to check to see how the fixture will be placed on the machine. I can also use CAMWorks Virtual Machine to do true G-code simulation and avoid costly collisions. And once complete, I can save the file back up to the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. For more information about the new CAMWorks for 3DEXPERIENCE SOLIDWORKS, go to www.camworks.com or contact your SOLIDWORKS or CAMWorks reseller today.